Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use Google Gemini AI for smarter searches and answers. Let's get started. First, you need to head to gemini.google.com or use it within the Google search bar. And Gemini AI is integrated with Google search bar for more insightful results. Then, to get accurate and detailed answers, frame your search as questions. For example, give me a summary of the latest research, renewable energy, and here the Gemini AI excels at understanding context. You can follow up the questions without restating the topic. For example, you can tell me about the impact of AI on healthcare. You can also follow up the question like what are the ethical concerns associated with the AI in healthcare. And then if the response isn't exactly what you need, you can also ask Gemini to narrow down the focus to give more detailed information. For example, you will ask or command to Gemini that can you give me more details about it? Then the Google Gemini AI generates and integrates the Google search capabilities so you can access our real time information, ask questions related to current events, market trends, and product comparison to get the latest insights. Then you can use Gemini for summarizing a long articles, papers to get the key points quickly. For personalized recommendation, the Gemini can give a tailored suggestions based on your preference. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.